Hi guys, welcome to another review video, Latitude. So I'm so excited to do the review of Latitude. The VSL page looks awesome, the sales page and the video of the sales page. So take over look into that one. So let's see the Latitude. So what is this Latitude? Basically crypto is the hottest topic of the year. So but making money from it's very risky and hard. So Latitude opens people for the digital gold mine of NFTs. So NFT is a new trending technology where you can have your own security with you, where they can make everything risk-free cash with zero experience or skill at all. So without a skill and no experience, you can use NFTs to uh, generate income for your business as well as for yourself. Self also it can be possible. So it was been made by a 12 years kid which he had made, and if he can we can also do. And he is uh, mentored by Jono Armstrong. So Jono Armstrong, he is the mentor for many affiliate marketers. So he is the big affiliate marketer in the earth, basically I would say. So he has many connections, and he is so popular. So let's see what is all Latitude about. So we will see the members area of Latitude. We will see the how Latitude works for you, about the summary and all those things, and we will see the bonuses once you get the Latitude from me. What are the bonuses you are getting out of it? So we will get started without any delay. So guys, this is the bonus page. So Latitude, so easy laptop income without online marketing. So it's using NFTs, you can earn money. So how this 12-year guy, old guy cracked a $2.5 billion loophole for over. So which he earns $2,743 passively every week in under 15 minutes per day, which he works, and 100% free buyer traffic, which he gets out of it. And the bonus page for Latitude is going to expire within 5 days. So coming to Latitude, so Latitude is going live on 31st of August and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So my bonus is going to be expired on September 3rd, Friday, which is 5 days from now. So secure your Latitude copy along with my bonuses. So let's jump into the Latitude. What is Latitude all about? So Latitude lets anyone tap into the crypto-driven world of NFTs for unlimited profit potential. So without upfront cost, without experience, without any risk, even without creating anything yourself. So there is a 15-minute or day stream proven effective by the 12-year-old guy who will be walking through the complete course, how you can generate the revenue using yourself, using the NFTs, using the Latitude basically. And the beta testers also proven that it was working as expected. So and the free buyer traffic included from the top influencer platform of over 330 million buyers. So and it is a free software included. Access the exact same software we use to automate 99% of this one. So the ground floor profit advantage, the fastest growing crypto market NFTs, but without the risks. So this is about the summary. So NFTs are the booming thing right now, as the cryptos. So cryptos are higher risk, but NFTs are not a higher risk. You can have your own collection. You can sell it. It's your digital representation. It's your own property. You can sell it whatever it is, without any others copyrights. So let's talk about the prices and upsells. So the Latitude front end is $12.95, which you have access to the Latitude software and the training modules. It's basically the training modules. The William, the small guy, 12-year-old guy, will explain you how you can use the Latitude to leverage your NFTs traffic, and how can you earn money. So that is the complete front end is all about. So there is a private VIP access, which is a product bump, which is $7. So there is a private group of VIP group where you will get exclusive support and guidance from VM, the creator of Latitude. So upsell number one, Latitude Pro, which is $47 and downsell of $37. So with this pro version, this is a hands-free way to cash in the unique system. So he will show you how to effortlessly flip others people NFTs for windfall profits without creating a single thing themselves. So without you create anything, you can generate the flip of others people and you can use the NFTs. So upsell number 2, Latitude Deluxe, which is of $67 and $47 downsell. So advanced training on leveraging digital or collections to 10x their income, and you will discover how to create or assemble collections, outsource the heavy lifting, and generate life-changing profits. So you will go in deep about how you can leverage the digital platforms and create a collections for which will include you 10x of your income. So he is going to expose those things in the upsell number 2. Upsell number 3, Elite Insiders Club, which is of $97 upsell and $67 downsell. So this has direct access to our insiders only club, where the richest NFT players share up to the minute shortcuts and strategies. You will get the strategies and the shortcuts for the NFTs. So we will also be added to the private list and the growth given early side info on the hottest NFTs to profit. So you will get more information in this Elite Insiders Club. There are many experienced guys who will help you to share the shortcuts and the strategies how you can do the minute generate the richest NFTs, and you will be getting the upcoming NFT copies of how you can generate more profit. So upsell number 4, which is unlimited traffic, which is of $197 and downsell of $97. So this unlimited traffic for your customers that want to scale faster. So we'll get direct access to the huge system, huge AdWords basically audience, by having their pixels placed on all the sales page for 365 days. So this is completely hands-free way for them to grow a massive traffic source of targeted prospects. The upsell number 5 is Ultra Reseller Rights Bundle with $67 and $47 downsell. So 4 top converting offers to sell on your own and keep commissions of every product in the each funnel. So past customers love the reseller bundle. So Jono Armstrong's product means everyone likes the products. So everyone likes this one. So they are getting an entire library of digital products to profit from forever, and they will handle all the support. So this bundle, the reseller rights, ultra reseller rights bundle includes Latitude, Gemini, JavaScript commission bot, and TweetX. So all these 4 different products will be part of the reseller rights, where you can get the complete reseller rights to this one, Latitude, by purchasing Latitude upsell number 5. So these are the prices. So let's talk about the benefits, what you might be getting from the Latitude. So it's a 5-figure per month push button system. So you easily generate a 5-figure, and it's a developed and proven by a 12-year-old guy. So you have never seen anything like this. Might be a small boy who already proven this one, and he developed the system. So it's a free software, so no need of buying any monthly subscriptions or something like that. So it's a free buyer traffic from a leading platform. So it's cash in from the crypto explosion without risk or investment. So it's absolutely no boring, saturated BS online marketing crap. It's not a crap kind of thing. So it's a 10,000% beginner friendly. So no experience is required. So if a 12-year boy can do it, why not you? That's a really interesting thing. So results are your money back guaranteed. So it has 30-day money back guarantee for you. So to secure your copy of Latitude along with my bonuses, click on the link below, which I will put it in the comment section as well as in the description. So if you click here, it will take you to the sales page. Let's talk about it in a bit. So what are the bonuses you are getting when you're getting Latitude from me? So bonus number 1, how to accelerate your Instagram traffic. Bonus number 2, bonus page builder tutorial. How can you build a bonus page similar to this? My mentor is going to explain you about everything about this. Bonus number 3, which is 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. Bonus number 4, access goodwill. So this is the Jono Armstrong product again. So you will get access to this goodwill product once you get this Latitude from the link. And the vendor bonuses, which is the special bonus. So and I have another bonus for you, which is my bonus, special bonus for you. So which is a Kronos manager. So you can access your time manager. So maybe you have heard about the Pomodoro. So Pomodoro is like a time management task where it will enhance your productivity by taking a small amount of rests of your time and working more like 25 minutes and take a short break or a long break, and your work time will be improved and the productivity will be increased. So this is the software I'm giving you for free of cost with the bonuses. Basically, this is the special bonus which I'm giving you for the Latitude. So to secure the Latitude along with my bonuses, so click the button to claim the free Insane Bonuses package before the countdown timer hits 0. So guys, this is very important. So the time down before it hits 0, you should grab the copy, or else the everything bonuses will be down. And let's jump into, once you click on any of the links here, you will be redirected to the sales page of Latitude. So this is the VSL. Go through that VSL if you are really interested. It's like a very impressive VSL which have been made by Jono and Ashley. So this is very great. I have seen ever. So whatever we discussed about the Latitude, everything being in this sales page, it's all about the generating the free buyer traffic, and a 12-year boy did all these things. Why not we? So everything is being there what we discussed. So you can see the money is falling. So these are the case studies which you can see. $13,000 in 8 minutes, $16,000 in 2 days. You can see 2 days ago, and $5,000 in 13 days. So these are the case studies which have been implemented. It's very simple. Unlock the Latitude blueprint, activate the software and included free traffic, over 330 million qualified buyers, and sit back and watch the buyers find you and get the more money. So Jono Armstrong, so he is the one who is helping William. So William is the 12 years guy, so he is the William. So C is a very small guy. He implemented this particular Latitude and the use cases and everything. Hope he has a bright future in the ahead. So you can see the complete sales page here. So it's everything about the Latitude, how you can do that NFTs by yourself. William is going to take you all over the things for you. So let's see the bonuses, what you are getting for the vendors as a vendor bonuses. So let's lower. Yeah, here it is. So what you will get as a custom bonuses when you grab Latitude. So you will get free YouTube traffic. So you will get access to Jono's secrets, how you YouTube secrets basically. So time and time again, so his videos out rank all others, and he will show how you can do exactly the same. So Vanquish, so this is the front end access to Vanquish, the evolution of automated commissions. So with unstoppable traffic, cutting edge conversions, now anyone can make game changing affiliate income. So this is the Vanquish, and the $0 to $100 in 24 hours. How can you generate $0 to $100 in 24 hours? The Fugo breakout, so it's underground traffic. How can you earn money from the Fugo breakout? So these are the vendor bonuses which you will be getting from the Latitude. So let's switch to the members area. So this is the Latitude front end members area, where you will have 3 different sections, introduction, 4 different sections. You can access the bonuses from here directly. Introduction about the Latitude. So welcome message from overview about the NFTs and what the NFTs is going to change the trending of the technologies, and a welcome message from William will be there, and William will show you the different sources, how you can access the Latitude, and how you can using the Latitude, how you can actually generate your own income using the NFTs and everything. He is going to explain in this particular module, Latitude, using some Chrome extensions and etc. So upgrades, as we've seen before in the bonus page, the different upgrades which you will be getting. So if you want to upgrade, it will be upgraded, and the remaining rest of the bonuses. So in this training, you will use some softwares which he will explain everything, how you can really get started and do the stuff moving forward. So this really helps in boosting the generating of money. So guys, I am back to bonus page again. So see all the bonuses. Latitude is, in my opinion, Latitude is a very interesting product which I have seen. So NFTs are the digital representation. So I guess that doesn't goes, and no one can copyright your NFTs. It's your own NFTs. So I would feel like this is a great product. And thanks for watching the review video till the end. Please do like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below. And thank you. See you again in the next review video. See you guys.